Hello everyone, welcome to ALM. Today, I will show you the magnetic property comparison of different metal materials. This is SUS430. With a strong magnetism, it requires a lot of force to move the magnet down. This is SUS304. With a weak magnetism, a slight vibration will cause the magnet to fall off. This is carbon steel 45. With a strong magnetism, the magnet is firmly attached to the metal surface. This is tin bronze, with almost no magnetism. And brass is the same as the tin bronze. This is bearing steel, with magnetism second only to SUS430. The order of magnetic properties of this metal from strong to weak is SUS430, bearing steel, carbon steel 45, SUS304, tin bronze, and brass. If you have any other questions, welcome to contact us.